Good evening, friends. Today's our topic is what here method 4. This is this this is method 4 regarding what here higher order differential equation here. When we'll take method 4 here. See, if q of x equal to what here? If q of x equal to e power ax into v, then we can solve those kind of equations by using of what here method 4 here, right? Here e power ax we know that. So this is what here exponential function, and what is v here? V is either it is a trigonometric function or it is a algebraic function, right? So that means what here we can take v equal to cos bx or sin bx, or if it is algebraic function we can take x power m, right Nana? So uh, any one of this function we need to take. That means what here q of x is a product of two functions. One is obviously one is what here exponential function, and the second one is what optional means for we can take v equal to either it is a trigonometric function or it is a cos function, right? Though here the standard function is what here e power ax. Definitely we should get e power ax in that product of two functions, right? Okay, we are having choice for what here v, right? Choice means what here v means what, either it is a trigonometric function or it is a algebraic function. Means trigonometric function means we should get cos bx sin bx. If it is algebraic function we'll get what here x power m, right? So in this case how we are going to find the pi here. Pi means what here? Particular integral. Particular integral means yp. We know that. Yp equals what here, beta? 1 by f of d into q of x. Where q of x equal to what here? 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. Right? Okay. Now here I am taking what? V equals to, I am taking any trigonometric function, any one of the trigonometric function I am taking here. So here I am taking cos bx. In the place of sin bx also you can take, no problem. But I will take one example from by taking v equal to trigonometric function, and by taking v equals to algebraic function, right? So here in first case what I am taking here, I am taking any trigonometric function. Here I am taking cos bx, right? Cos bx. So 1 by f of d into e power ax, v equals what here? Cos bx, right Nana? Then our yp becomes what here? See, yp becomes what here? See, in these two functions we need to neutralize this e power ax. How we are going to neutralize this e power ax here? Simple, beta. In the place of d I am substituting d plus a, right? In the place of d what I am substituting here? I am substituting d plus a. Like that this function move to right side of the 1 by f of d, right Nana? So okay, now this becomes what here? See, I am writing same as it is e power ax, right? Now f of d, here d is there now. In place of d what I am writing here, Nana? D plus a I am writing here, right? Into cos bx, right? So from here e power ax is e power ax role is over. Why? Because in f of d function what we are substituting here, d plus a we are substituting, no? So like that e power ax role is over. Now we are going to solve this by using of what here? Method 2. This is in the form of what here, Nana? 1 by f of d into cos bx or sin bx, right? So that means method 2. By using of method 2 we are going to solve this, right? And we need to multiply this solution by this e power x. So that will be what here? Our yp, right? Solve this by method 2, right? Okay. For example, in any case, right, v equals to any x power m algebraic function, v equals to x power m taking, then what will be our yp here, right Nana? So here yp equals to, we know that 1 by f of d into q of x. Q of x equal to what here, Nana? E power ax into v. V equals to what here, Nana? X power m I am taking. Same, if I want to neutralize this function, right, I need to substitute in the place of d plus a. So that means d is replaced by d plus a. So then e power ax, I am writing right side to this 1 by f of d. So like that d becomes what here? D plus a, right, into x power m, right. So that means here e power x role is over. Now we need to solve this only, right? We need to solve this only. How we are going to solve this? See, this is in the form of what here? Method 3. By using of method 3, we can solve this, and whatever the answer will get, will multiply this answer with this. That becomes what here? Completely our yp, right? So it is in the case of what here? If v is a cos bx, then we can solve this by method 2 and we'll get the solution here, right? If it is a algebraic function, we'll use method 3, right, Nana? Okay, like that we'll find the yp. So this is method 4. Okay, we'll see one problem, right, Nana? uh, Here our given question is what here? Solve d square plus 2 into y equals to e power x cos x, right? So this is given question here. If we observe the q of x, what we are getting here, na? We are getting product of two functions. One is what here? One is exponential function, another is trigonometric function. So by using of method 4, we need to solve this kind of higher order differential equations, right? So first I am writing the given differential equation here. That is what here, Nana? D square plus 2 into y equals to e power x cos x. Let us assume this is 1, right? If we can compare this with what here? F of d into y equals to q of x, then f of d equals to what here, Nana? Now our f of d becomes what here? D square plus 2, and q of x becomes what here, Nana? E power x into cos x, right? So this is what here? This is our q of x. Now we need to find the general solution. Now to find general solution, mainly we need to get two parts. That is what here? Yc and yp. Yc is nothing but what here? Yc is nothing but what here, Nana? Yc is complementary functions, and second part is yp. Yp is what here, Nana? Particular integrals. These two parts we need to find here, right? So first of all I am finding what here? Yc here. To find yc, we need to write a auxiliary equation of f of d is what here, Nana? F of m equals to 0, right? So that means in the place of d we need to replace by m. So m square plus 2 equals to 0 here. I am sending 2 to that side. What I will get here, Nana? M square equals to minus 2 I am getting. So m equals to what here, Nana? Root of minus 2. Root of minus 2 means what here? M equals to, I can write 2 root I plus or minus 2 root I plus or minus 2 root I. So if I am writing m into complex form, so I can write 0 plus or minus I root 2. I can write like this. So here alpha equal to what here? 0, and beta equals to 2. So roots are what here, Nana? Roots are complex pair. Then our yc becomes what here, Nana? Yc equals to e power alpha x. Alpha x means what here? 0x. Here alpha equal to 0, right? Into c1 cos beta x. Beta means what here, Nana? Root 2 x plus c2 sin beta x. Beta equals what here, Nana? Root 2 x, right? So finally yc becomes what here? E power 0x means 1. So finally yc is c1 cos root x plus c2 sin root x, right? So this is our yc. I am writing what here, Nana? I am taking this as equation 2, right? Okay, now our yc part is over. Now we need to find what? finding what here nana, finding yp. So yp equals what here, 1 by f of d into q of x, right? Okay, 1 by f of d into q of x. So I'm substituting all values in this yp. Yp equals to 1 by f of d, 1 by f of d, f of d equals what here nana, d square plus 2, d square plus 2 into q of x equal to what here, e power x cos x, right? First we need to neutralize e power x. How we are going to neutralize e power x? Nothing. Here in the place of a, what we are having here, 1 is there na, we need to replace d by d plus 1. We need to replace what here na, d by d plus a. Actually here a equals to what here, 1. So I need to replace d by d plus 1 here. So like that I am neutralizing e power x here. So e power x, right? In the place of d I need to write what here na, d plus 1 whole square, and remaining the same as it is I am writing here, 2 cos x, right? Now I need to solve this e power x same as it is. If I am expanding this, what I will get here nana, d square plus 1 plus 2d I will get, right? So 2d plus 1 we are getting from this. So what I will get here nana, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is what here, 3 cos x, right? So finally by expanding d plus 1 whole square, and this part becomes what here, d square plus 2d plus 3 cos x. Now we need to solve this by, we know if q of x equal to what here, if q of x equal to a trigonometric function, then yp becomes what here nana. By using of method 2 we learn, if we are getting these kind of functions, how we are going to solve this, right? In method 2, by using of method 2 I am finding the solution here. So right, so here d square plus 2d plus 3 into cos x. In place of b, what we are getting here nana, in place of b what we are getting here, where b equals to 1. So put d square equals to what here nana, minus of b square, minus b square means what here, 1. So minus 1. Put d square equal to minus 1, right nana? So e power x 1 by minus 1 plus 2d plus 3 into cos x, right? So here e power x, this becomes what here nana, 2d plus 2. So I can take 2 common. So what I will get here, finally here I will get what here, d plus 1. See, 2d plus 2 I will get directly here. I am taking 1 common. I didn't write one more step here, right? Okay, so directly I am writing here, I am taking 2 common in. Actually here I will get 2d plus 2, right? Cos x, right? So here e power x by 2, what I am doing here, I am rationalizing this. So what I will get here nana, 1 by d plus 1 into d minus 1 by d minus 1 into cos x, right nana? So what I will get here nana, e power x by 2 same as it is. For this d minus 1 into cos x, which is in the form of what here, which is in the form of what here nana, a plus b into a minus b. So I will get what here nana, d square minus 1, right? Okay, we know that where I will get d square, that should be replaced by what here, minus 1 for this sum, right? Minus 1. So e power x by 2, I am multiplying this d into cos x minus cos by what here, minus 1 minus 1, right? In the place of d square I am substituting minus 1 here. Should not get confused, right? Okay, now e power x by 2, d means what here nana, we know that d equals what here, d by dx. Right, d by dx of cos x, I will get what here? Minus sin x minus cos x by minus 2. Right. So here if I am taking minus common, what I will get here, Nana? Minus e power x 2 into 2 4 minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. For this I am taking minus common, no? So I will get sin x plus cos x. So this gets cancelled. Our yp is what finally? Our yp is e power x sin x plus cos x by 4. Right. I got my yp also. Sure, Nana. Here I got my yp also. Now I need to find general solution. GS of equation 1 is what here, Nana? Y equals to yc plus yp, right? So here y equals to yc part I am substituting here. Yc equals to what here? C1 cos root 2x plus C2 sin root 2x plus yp. Yp is what here, Nana? Yp is e power x sin x plus cos x by 4. So this is our answer. Right, beta? Thank you.